Hello friends, about 2,000 years ago, a messenger of God came to a young girl and told her she had been chosen for a great purpose. She would give birth to a child who would change the world. The angel's name was Gabriel, and the girl was Mary. The child was named Jesus, the one who would later become the foundation of Christianity, the most followed religion in the world. His birth is celebrated as Christmas. Today, we'll explore the life of Jesus Christ, how billions followed him, and why someone considered divine was crucified. Jesus' history is ancient and debated. His birth is believed to be between 4 and 7 BC. BC means before Christ, and AD means after Christ. Many believe Jesus was sent by God, while others believe he was God in human form. Mary, also known as the Virgin Mary, was told by Angel Gabriel that she would give birth to a divine child. At that time, she was not married, though she was engaged to Joseph. When Joseph learned about her pregnancy, he planned to leave her. But an angel appeared to him in a dream and revealed the truth. After that, Joseph married Mary. They lived in Nazareth, but due to a Roman census, they had to travel to Bethlehem. The city was crowded, and they found shelter in a stable. Jesus was born there. Angels announced his birth to shepherds, who became the first witnesses. According to prophecy, the Messiah would be born in Bethlehem. That's why Christmas is celebrated on December 25th. Now, how did so many people start believing in Jesus? One reason was prophecy. People believed he was the promised Messiah. Another reason was his miracles. He healed the sick, gave sight to the blind, walked on water, and fed thousands with just a small amount of food. In one story, at a wedding, he turned water into wine, his first recorded miracle. In another, he raised a dead boy back to life. Seeing this, people were shocked. Only God could do such things. In another miracle, he fed 5,000 people using just 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish. After this, people began to see him as divine. As his followers grew, so did opposition. Religious leaders felt threatened because Jesus challenged their teachings and called out hypocrisy. He spoke against blind rituals and manipulation. Politically, Roman authorities saw him as a threat. They feared he might become a leader and start a rebellion. Though Jesus never directly challenged Roman rule, pressure built against him. He was arrested and brought to trial. The Roman governor Pontius Pilate found no fault in him. But under pressure, he sentenced Jesus to death by crucifixion. Crucifixion was a brutal punishment. A person was nailed to a cross and left to die slowly. Jesus was crucified around 9 a.m. and remained on the cross until 3 p.m. Above his head was written, "Jesus of Nazareth, King of the Jews." After his death, his body was taken down and placed in a tomb by Joseph and Nicodemus. 3 days later, something extraordinary happened. When people visited the tomb, it was empty. According to Christian belief, Jesus had risen from the dead. Angels appeared and announced that he was alive. He was seen by several followers, including Mary Magdalene. It is believed that Jesus stayed on earth for 40 days after his resurrection before ascending to heaven. After that, his followers continued spreading his teachings. That's why Christianity became the world's largest religion. However, throughout history, religion has also been misused for wars, control, and false beliefs. Even today, people exploit faith for personal gain. So, instead of misusing religion, we should follow its true message: kindness, truth, and compassion. This Christmas, try to remove negativity from within and help those in need. Be someone's hope. If you found this video informative, subscribe for more. Stay connected.